Escape or die trying. Extraction, reach the extraction point. Sounds easy enough. Oh, no! Wait, no!
I have drawn my blade.
Shut the door! No! Oh, yeah? Shit! No, this was a bad run, no! Alright, Elephant Fury. Assault. Eliminate all enemies. Look at all these elephants. Can I ride them? I just want to get on top of you. Hey! Come back. I'm trying to talk to you. Oh, I can ride you. Get over here. Hey! Aha! I got ya. Alright. Charge! Follow that elephant. I'm shooting its butt. Wait. The fuck? Oh my god! Die! Kill him! Oh shit! Ow! Trample that shit! Roar! Ah! Kill him! Oh shit! Oh yeah, teabag the elephant. Oh yeah. Oh! Whoa! Oh, you don't like teabagging? No! Okay, we're gonna test out my Spidey skills. Hiya!
Spider-Man, Spider-Man, does whatever
Detach.
Spider can.
Shit.
The web, any size, catch
No! Wait, no!
Here comes the spider.
Hiya!
Here comes the Spider-Man.
Shit! Look, Spider-Man. No! I'm gonna make it to the end, I swear. No, wait, no! Okay, the key to jumping like Spider-Man is getting a really good jump. Oh, shit! I think I got it. Shit! No! Fuck! Fuck! Damn it! I quit. Dislike. Well, what do I do now? That was that was pretty intense for like a minute. Oh. What if I move your body? You're coming with me, Julio. Let's go. Thanks, Julio. You're a lot of help. I'm gonna put you up here. Oh, Julio, it's not one of those dates. What are you doing? No. You slut. Yeah, okay, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I'm getting the hell out of here. Oh! Yes! I didn't see that. Oh! Thanks for watching my video. Please leave a like if you enjoyed watching it. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.